There is nothing satisfying as a freshly juiced orange juice. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make fresh orange juice. First of all, soften the orange. You use your palm to rub the orange on the surface to soften it. Then we'll go ahead and start making our freshly orange juice. I'll start by cutting the orange to juice our orange juice. Slice the orange in half and remove the seed if you want to go seedless. So I'm going to slice my oranges in half. Using a plain juicer, put your sliced orange and slightly use your palm to juice the orange. There are 3 methods that you can use to make your orange juice. You can use a plain juicer, or you can use a blender, or you can also use a juicer machine. You just need to repeat the procedure by juicing your sliced oranges to get that 100% orange juice with sugar free and with liquid free, which is water free. So you just need to repeat all the procedure to get that 100% homemade freshly juiced orange juice. So this is the last sliced orange. Then I'm going to bring a clean bowl and a sieve. I just want to extract all those little particles of the seed. I just want to extract it to get clean 100% orange juice. I really enjoy taking a freshly homemade orange juice. I don't really buy orange juice these days. I juice it to get that sweet and freshly orange juice. So I'm going to serve it in a glass cup to enjoy my orange juice, homemade orange juice, 100% orange juice, free from sugar. So these are those 3 tools you need to use to prepare your freshly orange juice. Because to start a day as a mother of 4, I like taking orange juice and different type of juice, and I like juicing mine at home. Please support your girl by liking this video, give this video a like, and please drop that in comments once you try this recipe. Please share my recipe, and if you've not subscribed and you are new to my channel, please share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time in my next video.